In this video we will see how the MDG Office integration will allow you to export Excel into Enterprise Architect. Now let us see about the Export to Excel feature. Select the required package to export. Go to Specialize, Microsoft Office Add-ins Export to Excel. Click on the Add symbol in Specification field and type a specification name to create a new export profile. Click the Browse button in the Select Document field and select the Export Excel file. And then click the drop-down option and select the Element field. Enable all the checkboxes. Go to Elements tab and select the required properties to get the EA element details in Excel sheet. And in the Attributes and Methods tab, enable the Include option to add a worksheet to get the details in separate worksheet in Excel. Then click on the Connector Properties tab. Enable the Include option to add connector worksheet and select the connector properties, source and target properties. Go to Home page and click on Save Template option. After I created the profile, click on the Export button to view the elements and its properties in Excel sheet. Click the Yes button to open the exported Excel file. After opening the Excel file, you can view the elements and its properties with GUID value in separate sheets. The attributes method and connector values also exported to the Excel sheet. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.